Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Golang 1.19 on AlmaLinux 9 operating system. I am going to show you how to install Golang 1.19 for a current user. Okay, for a single user I am going to show you now. Okay, so this is the binaries directory and this is the Go 1.19 binary as a tar.gzip file I have downloaded from Go website. So I am extract the content here. So I am moving the extracted content to /opt directory. So already there is a Go 1.20 available. So you can install and configure multiple versions of Go in same machine. Okay. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.19. It's a bin directory, contains executables. Let me rename this directory to Go-1.19 for my convenience. Okay, so you can see Go 1.20 is also already installed. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to add the Go 1.19 bin directory to the bash profile of the current user. Okay. Let me open the export path equal to $path : /opt /go-1.19/bin. Okay, so I am appending the bin directory to the Linux path variable so that Go 1.19 commands will be available in the terminal. Okay, open the terminal source .bash_profile, which will load the latest profile settings. Go version, yes, I can able to execute the Go command. Now let me run one program. Okay, there are many programs I have written. Okay, let me run one program. 2D array example. Okay, so 2D array I am going to demonstrate how to run. Go run 2D array example.go. Yes, I can able to run the Go program. So Go 1.19, Golang 1.19 is successfully configured for a single user. Okay, that is for current user. Okay. Now the problem is there are many users available in this machine. See here, 2 users are there. Okay, as of now, Java FRM only can execute the Go programs. User Ramanathan cannot execute the Go program because Go 1.19 is not configured globally. It's available only for the current user. What I am doing, I am opening the bash profile and deleting this line, export path. I am going to delete this line. Yes, save the bash profile. Now what I am going to do, come back to the terminal, switch as a root user, go to cd/etc/profile.d. So under this directory I am creating one shell script called golang.sh. So I am pasting this export path line which I have deleted there. Okay, save the golang.sh shell script file. Okay, so what will happen whenever any user log into this machine, this golang.sh shell script will automatically called and environment variable for Go will be set and any users can execute the Go programs. Okay, so what I did, I have logged off the current user called Ramanathan and I am logging as a user called, I have logged off Java Forum and login as a user called Ramanathan. So now let me execute the command. Yes. Okay, let me run one sample program. Yes, so Go 1.19 is available globally to all users in this machine. Let me confirm once again by logging off the user called Ramanathan and login as previous user called Java from. Yes. So everything is fine. Golang 1.19 installation on AlmaLinux 9 is successful.